Hey there, welcome back to the channel. Today we're turning lines of code into lines of art as we dive into the colorful and interactive world of P5.js. I cannot even believe I'm saying that because I didn't know what P5.js was until today that Lovable released a brand new integration with P5.js. So they are releasing integrations daily during the month of December. Just 2 days ago, they released a Three.js integration. If you haven't seen my video game design video, please go back to my YouTube channel and it's there. And that allows you to build now video games using Lovable. And then yesterday they released their framework to build canvas, Fabric.js. And that allows you to build drag and drop builder and anything that will be used in a design tool. And today, of course, I should say yesterday, they released P5.js, and that is a really amazing framework to build animations and to the two-dimensional animations that you can use on your website or that you can use in other projects. And we will talk about those in a moment. In reality, whether or not you're an artist or you're just looking to experiment or you're a developer eager to visualize ideas or for a beginner just like me, I come from the no-code world. This is something that you will want to know because this will put the magical touches into your projects. Now, as always, if you like the content that I'm putting out there, please consider leaving a like in this video. It really helps me achieve more people. And of course, you can always subscribe to the channel. We have just over 800 subscribers so far, and reality is that we're only missing you. But before I keep going on, and let's just jump into the Lovable to get started. All right, as always, I like to mention where we are. So we are on the Lovable dashboard. This is where you're going to go and make the magic happen. So we're going to write the prompt. It's going to be a really simple prompt. I'm not going to go into a really complicated prompt here. The idea is to show you and demonstrate how this works. So I want you to create a heroes section background using P5.js. This heroes section will have an audio grant that the memory plays as if is playing on the visual realistic and the background is completely white and the audio grant will have the it should have 0 or then let's go here and grab a few colors. It doesn't really matter at this point. This one. Oh, I click enter without clicking shift. Rookie mistake. Now it's thinking, let's give it a moment. All right, so this is what it came up with. It actually looks really nice. The exception that I don't want the test to be running from because it's hard to see. Change the color font for a color that will be same card graph. I don't want to think too much into which color I should use, so I will just let it think through that. Okay, yeah, I like it much more now. Okay. Beautiful. Brand. That harder. Dollar. And the reason why we want to make them taller is because I want to cover this area right here. All right. Then we're going to go back to, yeah, we're going to revert these changes. All right. So our secondary test can barely be seen. Please change the color. And then I'm typing the one, the top, and then the one had the. All right, so it's done, and as you can see, it added some shade behind, so it's easier to read. I really like this design, and this was all done using the P5.js integration that Lovable just released yesterday. Really amazing, really nice looking, and this is a great opportunity for you to add something really nice to your project, whether you're developing that in Lovable or in any other tool. This is truly amazing. And we made it to the end of another yet short video. I really appreciate you watching. If you are watching right now, it's because you watched until the end. Thank you for that. Like I said at the beginning of the video, if you like my videos, please can subscribe. It really helps a lot spread the word and reach more people out there. And that's it. That's all I have. I hope you have a great rest of your day.